Guys, Morgan,
Oh, hi.
we have here now a rocket that our Uncle Fred got us
For my birthday.
for his birthday. Uncle Fred is a pilot, so he is very familiar with air travel.
He just arrested from...
He didn't arrest, he retired.
He retired.
All right, so the way it works is there's an air pump. There's a hose. We have our launching pad. There's air that's going to shoot through this. And then these are our foam rockets. You ready? Are you ready to do it? Do you know how it works? What happens to the air? What does it do? No. Woo! You didn't do a countdown, homie. All right, we're back since someone didn't know how to follow the rules. We go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Apparently we work for SpaceX because we're just reusing the same one. Go.
1,
No, 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ooh.
Morgan, it's always okay to try new things. You can try whatever you want. Those are called experiments. What? What in the madness? All right, so now what's our experiment? What are we doing now? We're going to use our butt?
To push a lot of air.
Okay, a lot of air. Get it going.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4,
Bye.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get that butt on there.
Launch!
Go.
Trying to save this person's life.
You're trying to save that person's life? All right, so what do you say?
Thanks to Uncle Fred for the present,
And Auntie Shrees?
and then Tracy's and Lily and Emma and Tyler.
Yeah. Explain why it launches?
It launches because the air pushes it up, so it's really hard, so it can go up. That's why it's fun for kids.
It's awesome, huh?
Well, it's safe for kids too.
Nice.
Yeah.
FYI, it glows at night.
And it glows at night.
Yeah, we'll try it out at night later, okay?
Yep. We'll see you later.
Bye, friends.
Alligator.
Bye, friends.